Hello everyone, I am Jaya, Client Services Manager at Lucid IQ. Welcome to the quick and easy video tutorial series on CaseManagerPro. Today's video is all about getting started with CaseManagerPro. To log into CaseManagerPro, open Internet Explorer and enter the URL of your CaseManagerPro database in the address bar. Enter your unique user ID and the password. Remember that the password is case sensitive. Now click Login. If either your password was changed or this is the first time you have ever logged in, a dialog box opens instructing you to change your password. The screen will appear each time you log in until you reset your password. Click OK to proceed. Enter a new password and confirm it once again. Click anywhere outside the password field. If the two passwords match, a dialog box is displayed that states that your password was changed successfully. If they do not match, you will receive a notification and try changing your password once again. Now close the screen and you will be directed to your home page. This is the navigation panel. Authorized users can see everything and go anywhere. You can search, browse and add cases, contacts, documents and other records. And here is the navigation bar that contains menu items which help to perform application-specific functions. There is Admin Tools for performing administrative functions. Log off to exit from CaseManagerPro. Back to go back to your previous screen. Help to access help documentation. And also 4 dedicated context menu items to access records like calendars, reports, templates, and messages. There are also menu items that are used for quick entry like log contact, for recording contact communication details, and time entry for tracking the time spent. The CaseManagerPro homepage displays expandable and collapsible sections containing lists with links to user-specific records and common favorites. From your home page, you can expand any default section and immediately jump to specific messages, to-do items, appointments, history, or favorite cases, reports, documents, records, and files. The Recent History log tracks and displays your 20 most recent screens, with your most recent listed first and your oldest listed last. From the Recent History, you can click on any link to return to any screen in the list. Also, you can get back to your home page anytime by clicking My Home. Let's look briefly into the functions in the navigation panel once again. Clicking Search for any record area will transfer you to an area-specific page where you can filter your criteria as appropriate. Use the Browse option to move from headings and folders to the specific listing you seek. You can add and create records by clicking Add for the specific record area. Alternatively, you can also add a record by selecting the appropriate options in a record area from the Actions menu or by clicking New on the specific sections. Now let's look briefly into the Actions menu and the section-specific commands. From the Actions menu drop-down list, you can create favorite, cases, reports, documents, etc. Select Add to Favorites to create your favorite records and select Add to Common Favorites to create everyone's that is common favorite. You can also create new records even without navigating to that area beforehand. Now coming to the section-specific commands. From any section, you can create a new section entry, edit the current entry, save any edits or cancel any edits, and close the section. Let us now have a brief idea about the Curator Types in CaseManagerPro. Let's start with the contact records. The contacts area contains two specific sub-areas, a contacts address book for individuals and companies, and a contact log of all communications. In a contact record, every entry has a primary tab for default information. A profile tab is automatically created for certain predefined contact types like counsel, expert, judge, party, witness, and user. A workflow tab allows you to track all events, processes, and tasks for each contact. Coming to a case record, the primary tab contains basic reference information for each case, as well as a custom data area. You can add and select parties like plaintiff, defendant, etc. while creating a new case. You can either choose from the already existing address book entries or create any new entries as necessary. The background tab is 100% custom tailored for your litigation management needs. The Party tab contains drop-down links to areas of information about each party. These areas can be case-specific by checking the Applies to Case checkbox. The Workflow tab allows you to track all events, processes, and tasks for each case. Next in line are document records. The primary tab contains each document's profile information. The tracking tab allows you to determine a document's movements and whereabouts. The evidence tab allows you to determine a document's utility and association for evidentiary. The Workflow tab allows you to track all events, processes, and tasks for each specific document. In CaseManagerPro, you can also relate records to each other very easily. If you associate the records to each other by filling in the appropriate information in the Association section, they will relate, and you can view it in the Related Records section. Select the type of record, and all the related records of the same type will be displayed. The reporting capabilities of CaseManagerPro is also one of the highest selling features. List queries enable you to create reports with as many fields as you need to filter and find the information that you seek. To look for multiple data in one or more section of fields, create a list query. You can choose your sections, choose your fields, choose your operators, and choose your criteria. You can view the report using a single click from the Actions menu or this icon. To remain organized and productive, CMP offers calendars that are collective records like list queries. In calendars, there are fields containing the title, criteria, and other information that yield a listing of calendar entry records from across the system. You can effectively use calendars to remain updated about your tasks, key dates, appointments, etc. to remain organized and productive. There are often records that you would want to manage procedurally. The workflow allows you to do so. The purpose of workflow is to provide a means to keep both staff and managers timely informed as to what has or has not been completed relative to a specific record. Workflow processes are created in the administrative area. The workflow process may tie together key dates, tasks, triggers for tasks, and assignment responsibility. There may be any number of processes or tasks, and the CaseManagerPro system facilitates their management through automated notification of assignments, customized calendars, and calendar-based reports. Earlier in the tutorial, we learned about the search function that helps you to search across any specific record area. CaseManagerPro provides another option called Global Search to sort specific data found in single fields throughout CMP sections and fields. To search an exact word or phrase, you can enter the word or enclose the phrase in double quotes. If using Boolean connectors like and, or, not, near, and not, always put subject terms in double quotations. To make a wildcard search, use an asterisk at the beginning or end of a word to find all forms of it. That's all for now regarding the overview on CaseManagerPro. To know more about the features and record types in CaseManagerPro, do not forget to watch the topic-specific video tutorials. Thank you for watching the video. Your feedback is highly valued. Please leave your comments or suggestions. For any further information, please feel free to contact us directly at 214-221-9995 extension 3 or email us at cmpsupport@lucidiq.com.